Did you know that Dubai's crown prince Sheikh Hamdan has an estimated net worth of $400 million? That's right, and today, we're diving into how he spends his billions. Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, more commonly known as Sheikh Hamdan, isn't just the crown prince of Dubai. He's also an Instagram star, an adventurer, and a poet. Born into the ruling family of Dubai, he was appointed crown prince in 2008 by his father, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, who also happens to be the vice president and prime minister of the United Arab Emirates. Sheikh Hamdan, affectionately referred to as Faza by his admirers, has an estimated net worth of $400 million. That's a staggering amount of wealth, even for a prince. But just how does he spend his billions? Well, let's start with his passion for adventure. Sheikh Hamdan is known for his love of extreme sports including skydiving, ziplining, and deep-sea diving. He's even been spotted riding a bike through the desert and scaling the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. Then there are his extravagant purchases. Sheikh Hamdan has a penchant for luxury cars, boasting a collection that includes a Ferrari LaFerrari, a McLaren P1, and a Bugatti Veyron. He's also known to have a fondness for rare and exotic animals, and he often shares pictures of his beloved pets, which include camels, falcons, and horses, on social media. And let's not forget about his lifestyle. As a member of Dubai's ruling family, Sheikh Hamdan enjoys the finest things in life. From dining in the world's best restaurants to vacationing in the most exclusive destinations, he certainly knows how to live the high life. So that's just a glimpse into the life of a billionaire prince. But how does he manage all that wealth? Stay tuned to find out. When you're a billionaire, the world is your playground. And Sheikh Hamdan certainly plays on a grand scale. Imagine having an open checkbook for the world's most luxurious items. For Dubai's crown prince, this is simply a reality. Sheikh Hamdan's collection of assets is quite remarkable, each one more lavish than the last. Let's start with his car collection. It's not just any collection. We're talking about a fleet of high-end vehicles that would make even the most seasoned car enthusiast green with envy. From the latest Bugattis to limited edition Lamborghinis, every vehicle in his collection boasts of power, speed, and luxury. And let's not forget about the classic vintage cars that he has painstakingly preserved. Each car, a testament to the prince's discerning taste and love for speed. From land to sea, Sheikh Hamdan's love for luxury doesn't wane. His yachts are floating palaces, decked out with every amenity you could dream of. They're not just boats. They are symbols of opulence, grandeur, and unmatched luxury. He owns some of the world's most magnificent yachts, complete with helipads, swimming pools, and lavish suites. These nautical wonders are a testament to his love for the sea and his penchant for the finer things in life. And then there's the sky. Even the heavens aren't out of reach for the prince. His private jet, a Boeing 787, is more like a flying mansion than an aircraft. It features luxurious cabins, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and even a royal suite. This jet is not just about transportation, it's about traveling in style, with every possible comfort at his fingertips. Sheikh Hamdan's collection of assets is a testament to his love for luxury and the finer things in life. But it's not just about the price tags. Each item in his collection, whether it's a car, a yacht, or a private jet, reflects his personality, his passions, and his zest for life. But it's not all play for the crown prince. He also has a serious side, particularly when it comes to his investments. With great wealth comes great responsibility, and Sheikh Hamdan takes this responsibility seriously, investing his wealth in various businesses and ventures. As the crown prince of Dubai, Sheikh Hamdan has a diverse portfolio of investments, both within Dubai and around the world. Let's delve into some of these ventures to get a sense of how he grows and maintains his wealth. One of his most notable investments is in real estate. The prince has a significant stake in Emaar Properties, one of the largest real estate developers in the United Arab Emirates. This company is responsible for some of Dubai's most iconic structures, including the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. In addition to real estate, Sheikh Hamdan is also involved in the tech industry. He has invested in several innovative startups both locally and internationally. These include a range of companies from those developing cutting-edge medical technology to those advancing artificial intelligence. Not to forget, the prince's investment in the hospitality sector. He owns a number of luxury hotels and resorts in Dubai, which cater to the city's booming tourism industry. These establishments not only provide opulent accommodation choices for visitors but also contribute significantly to the prince's income. Agriculture is another area where Sheikh Hamdan has chosen to invest. He owns a number of organic farms in Dubai, which produce a wide range of crops. These farms not only contribute to local food production, but also promote sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices. Sheikh Hamdan's investments are not limited to businesses. He also invests in his people. He sponsors a number of educational initiatives, providing scholarships and funding for research in various fields. These investments in education reflect the prince's commitment to nurturing the talents and skills of his people. Whether it's real estate, technology, hospitality, agriculture, or education, Sheikh Hamdan's investments are diverse and far-reaching. Each venture is a testament to his business acumen and strategic foresight. But what about giving back? As it turns out, Sheikh Hamdan is also known for his philanthropy. Being wealthy isn't just about spending and investing, it's also about giving back, and Sheikh Hamdan is a prime example of this. The Crown Prince of Dubai, known for his extravagant lifestyle and astute business ventures, is equally renowned for his philanthropic endeavors. His commitment to giving back is as grand as his fleet of luxury cars and as profound as his business acumen. Sheikh Hamdan's philanthropy is not confined within the borders of the United Arab Emirates. His benevolence extends to the corners of the globe, reaching out to those in need, regardless of geography, race, or religion. He has been instrumental in numerous humanitarian efforts, providing aid and support in times of crises, and launching initiatives that promote education, health, and well-being. A notable example of his philanthropic spirit is the Dubai Cares initiative. Launched by Sheikh Hamdan, this global campaign aims to improve children's access to quality education in developing countries. Through this initiative, millions of less fortunate children have been given the opportunity to learn, grow, and aspire for a brighter future. Moreover, Sheikh Hamdan's commitment to health and wellness is reflected in his numerous donations to hospitals and healthcare facilities, both within and beyond Dubai. His contributions have funded cutting-edge medical equipment, research, and facilities, significantly improving healthcare services and saving countless lives. His environmental consciousness is also worth mentioning. He has invested in several conservation projects, striving to preserve the natural beauty of Dubai and advocating for a more sustainable future. These include efforts to protect endangered species, promote recycling, and reduce carbon emissions. In addition, the Crown Prince is known for his generous contributions to disaster relief funds. His timely interventions have brought hope and relief to those affected by natural disasters and conflicts around the world. So, from expensive toys to philanthropy, we've seen how Sheikh Hamdan spends his billions, but what does this all mean? It means that wealth, in the hands of those who choose to use it wisely, can be a powerful tool to effect positive change. And in the case of Sheikh Hamdan, it's a testament to the fact that true wealth is not just about having, but also about giving. Wealth is more than just a number, it's a tool, a responsibility, and for Sheikh Hamdan, a way of life. As we've seen, the Crown Prince of Dubai uses his wealth in a multitude of ways. This vast fortune allows for personal indulgence, yes, but also facilitates business investments and philanthropic endeavors. Let's consider the personal indulgence first. This is the part most of us dream about when we think of wealth. The fast cars, the luxury yachts, the extravagant lifestyle. But for Sheikh Hamdan, these are not just symbols of wealth, they are part of a lifestyle that embraces the best that life has to offer. Then, there's the business aspect. Sheikh Hamdan is not merely a spender, he's an investor. He uses his wealth to support and grow businesses, contributing to the economy and creating jobs. His investments are strategic, aimed at fostering innovation and promoting growth. This is wealth at work, wealth as a tool for economic development. But perhaps most importantly, there's the philanthropy. Sheikh Hamdan understands that wealth comes with responsibility. He gives back to his community, supports charitable causes, and invests in the future. His philanthropic efforts span education, healthcare, and environmental conservation, among others. This is wealth as a force for good, wealth used to make a difference in the world. In the grand scheme of things, the wealth of Sheikh Hamdan serves as a powerful reminder of the potential of wealth. It's not just about personal gain or material possessions, it's about the ability to shape the world around us, to contribute to the growth of our communities, and to help those less fortunate. Wealth, in the hands of Sheikh Hamdan, becomes a tool for positive change. It becomes a responsibility to society and a commitment to a better future. It becomes a way of life that goes beyond the individual and reaches out to the broader community. And that, dear viewers, is a glimpse into the life and wealth of Dubai's Crown Prince. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you want more fascinating stories like this one, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring the world with us.